Morning.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Someone left.
Sir?
யாரோ ஜாயின் பண்ணிருந்தாங்க போயிட்டாங்க.
இல்ல சார் இல்ல சார் நான் மற்ற என்னோட இன்னொரு போன்ல போட்டு பார்த்தேன். எனக்கு அந்த இது வரையறதுக்கு வர மாட்டேங்குது. இன்னொரு போனை போட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே. இப்போ கரெக்ட்டா வருதா?
அந்த போன்ல நான் திருப்பி எடுத்துட்டேன். ஆடியோ வரலன்னு வருது. ஆடியோ வரலன்னு வருது.
Okay. So tell me, ma'am. So what is the one word that describes your feeling now?
Feeling. போனால பிரச்சனை இருக்கு. இல்லைங்க இந்த போன் அந்த சரியா இல்லையே இன்னைக்கு கூட வரைய முடியலையேன்னு கொஞ்சம் ஃபீலிங் இருக்கு.
Okay. You are irritated.
Yes. No irritated, but worry.
Worry. Okay. Worry. Okay. So hopefully we will change your worry. We will change your worriness through our
worry selection.
Yeah.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Let's wait for others to join.
Six.
Can you see the screen, ma'am?
நான் இந்த போனையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு பார்க்கவா அந்த வரையும் போது வருதான்னு பாக்க.
சரி மேம், you can try.
Kata
Happy morning, Karpavalli ma'am.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning. So, can you please tell me what are you feeling now? One word. What is your feeling now? Ma'am? Your voice is not audible.
Now
Hello?
is it audible?
Yes, it is audible. Can you please tell me?
Fresh.
Fresh. Okay.
Yeah, fresh. With
Fresh.
what to say, eager to start a day.
Okay. Bob Nandakumar sir.
Good morning, sir.
Happy morning, sir. Your feeling at this moment?
Lazy, sir.
Lazy. Okay. Hope we'll make you active. Vijayalakshmi ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Happy morning. So your current feeling?
I'm just empty. It's just
Empty.
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have any feelings right now.
Okay, superb. If you can go and click the participants, you can see your feelings in front of your name.
Super.
Yeah, I saw fresh Karpavalli, lazy Nandakumar, empty Vijay, Tanalakshmi. Yeah.
Yeah, she's trying with another mobile number. Yeah.
அப்புறம் worried Tanalakshmi. Is it the same person or?
Yes. Same person.
Okay.
Yeah. So, who will lead the today's session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Yeah, please go ahead. You can exit from one mobile, ma'am. If
Yes,
you
sir.
want. Yeah.
Okay.
You can proceed, ma'am.
Sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Go ahead.
Happy morning, friends. Now we are going to do happiness dose. 6 a.m. club happiness dose. Why 6 a.m. club happiness dose? Time to look at some statistics. One in five is feeling low due to mental stigma. 49 million people suffering, 16% affected with mental health issues. 98% dies they are happy when we ask, how are you? 74 Indians are in stress. 88% are in worries. 150 million Indians required mental health support. So, yeah, moving to next slide. India in ranks 139 out of 149 in the world in happiness index 2021. Okay. We have to hack happiness chemicals from our body. We have to do something like we have to have dopamine, the reward chemical, to completing task, doing self-care activities, eating food, celebrating little wins. In these ways, we can hack the dopamine. Then oxytocin, the love hormone, playing with a dog, playing with a baby, holding hand, hugging your family, give compliment. In these ways, we can hack hormone, love hormone, oxytocin. then serotonin, the mood stabilizer, meditating, running, sun exposure, walk in nature, swimming, cycling. And endorphin, the painkiller, laugh for exercises, essential oils, watch a comedy, dark chocolate eating, and exercising. In these four chemicals, we can thrive with ourselves. We can move next. Smiley challenge. Select any color on your choice. Draw a beautiful smiley on screen. Here we are going to, please close your eyes and think about what gave you happy yesterday, and that moment, how did your face like? Please joy. Take a breath. Close your eyes. Take a long breath, and then you take your index finger and draw the smiley face, yesterday's happy moment face on the air first. Now that face we are going to draw in our board. That smiley face. Start, please. Take your pen in the corner of the device and the color, touch the color and draw your face, smiley face. Beautiful smileys on the screen. Very nice. Smileys show that how you are yesterday. Okay. Only 2%. Okay, very nice, very superb. Now we are moving to our duty today, that gives very happy for us today. Like same, நீங்க close your eyes and imagine what are you going to do for your happiness, and draw it on the air with the right hand index finger. start. We can start now. Beautiful drawings, beautiful pictures. Very nice. Now we have to observe, think, and explain. Observe others who are near you, next to you. Observe their feelings and you can say what are they thinking. Observe others who are next to you. I have to observe fresh Kalpagavallis and MT Vijayalakshmi, fresh Kalpagavalli. Observe MT Vijayalakshmi's picture and MT Vijayalakshmi lazy Nandakumar picture and Nandakumar sir worried Dhanalakshmi's drawing. Observe. Now we can start to describe. Worried Dhanalakshmi, I see seeing fresh Kalpagavalli's pictures. Happy morning, Kalpagavalli ma'am.
Happy
Happy
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Happy morning,
வீட்ல இருந்து
Dhanalakshmi, ma'am.
ஹாப்பி மார்னிங் மேம், தேங்க்யூ. நீங்க வந்து அழகான செடிகளுக்கு தண்ணி ஊத்துங்க, சந்தோஷப்படுங்க. சரிங்களா?
சரிங்க மேம். ஓகே மேம்.
ஓகே ஓகே. நவ் எம்பதி விஜயலட்சுமி மேம், யூ Kalpagavalli ma'am, please
எஸ் மேம்.
tell MT Vijayalakshmi.
விஜயலட்சுமி மேம் லேப்டாப் வரைஞ்சிருக்காங்க. லேப்டாப்ல ஏதோ ஆளுங்கெல்லாம் ஏதோ படம் சம்திங் தே ஆர் சீயிங் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
One
சரி.
word, one sentence enough, ma'am.
எஸ் மேம்.
Okay.
விஜய் மேம், நீங்க வந்து நல்ல சிரிப்பு சேனல்லாம் பார்த்து நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க மேம்.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Vijayalakshmi ma'am, you about Nandakumar sir.
Nandakumar sir, good morning. Today you relax and take good rest.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Nandakumar sir. Nandakumar sir. கேட்கலையோ?
Sir has network problem னு போட்டிருக்காரு chatல.
ஆமா. ஓ, நந்தகுமார் சார் என்னோட சொல்லணும்.
Happy morning, why do
Yes, happy morning, sir. Happy morning.
Dhanalakshmi ma'am?
Happy morning,
Good.
sir. சார் சொல்லுங்க சார். இது வந்து எனக்கு வர மாட்டேங்குது. வேற ஏதாவது நாளைக்கு இன்னைக்கு ட்ரை பண்ண மெட்ரோ ஃபோன்ல வச்சுக்கலாமா? மாறி எடுத்துட்டேன். பரவாயில்ல, ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க. சார் நந்தகுமார் சார், have you finished? Nandakumar sir.
Seems he has still problem, ma'am. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
thank you,
Yeah.
friends.
Thank you. Thank you. all. Thank you, all friends. Super, super, super. Then, what is mind is silent? Sound, just, yeah. Now we are moving to self-appraisal. Take your, we have to appraise ourselves. So, take your left hand and hold your right shoulder. Tap on the left shoulder by saying Sabash, Sabash, Sabash. Sabash, Sabash, Sabash. Sabash, 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 Sabash. Hello? Sabash, 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 Sabash. Okay. Next, we are moving to gratitude exercise. There are the miracles and the okay. Thank everything and everyone who makes you happy. Take your hands, reverse, cross your fingers, twist and down, twist and up. Bring it closer to your heart, below your chin. Close your eyes, take a long and deep breath. Inhale, abdomen breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we are moving to next slide. Self hug. We are going to hug ourselves. So wide open your eyes and wide stretch your hands. Take a long and deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Hug yourself. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Change your hands up and down while hugging. And thank you, friends. Yeah, moving to next slide. Happy task of the day. Which you like the most. You can eat fruits. You can enjoy seeing the stars, or you can watching TV, and drawing any pictures, and eating sweets, anything like this. Any of these you can take and you can pick and you like the most. Thank you. Thank you. Alphabet laughing exercise. For laughing master is laughing at us. We are going to practice laughing alphabets with the help of him. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Hi hi. Hi hi.
he, he, he,
Ooh, ooh,
who,
Hey.
Hey,
who,
hey,
hey,
hey, hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hey,
hi, hi,
hey,
oh,
hey.
oh,
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 how,
oh,
how,
oh, oh,
how,
oh.
how,
How, how,
Thank you, thank you, super, super. Now, we are going to laugh like a villain. Ha 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 ha
ha,
ha
ha, ha, ha,
ha. Then we are moving to the to sing that alphabets with the alphabets. Ha 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 ha. He 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 he.
he, 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 he,
Hoo 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 hoo.
hoo, 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 hoo.
Hey 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 hey.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey 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 hey.
Hi, 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 hi.
Ho 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 ho.
Hoo, 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 hoo.
Ha ho ha ho ha ho.
How, 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 how.
Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha
ha,
ha. Now, we laugh with ourselves, happy laughing. சந்தோஷமா இருங்க. Thank you for your laughing. Thank you all. Now, our laughing master will be laughing with us. And give time, skill, think money. Pick one random acts of kindness to bring smiles. Hug a tree, water the plants, use cloth bag, walk for a kilometer, feed animals, water bowls for birds, thank someone, help a senior citizen, play with kids, create plastic-free zone, spend mobile-free hour, share a meal. In these ways, we can bring smiles, kindness and bring smiles. Next we can. Thank you for smiling, friends. Do you have any smile for me? Do you have any smile for me?
Yes, we have loads of smiles.
Okay, sir. Thank you, well, thank you.
We'll send a big truck to Sri Lanka also. Superb. That's fantastic, friends. So,
Thank you, sir.
can you share me what is your feeling right now so that I'll change your names? Karpagwali ma'am, from fresh to
fresh to very fresh become.
refresh.
What to say? Happy, very happy, relaxed.
Happy, okay. Happy or relaxed? One word.
One word and happy.
Happy. Okay. Super. Your name has been changed. Vijayalakshmi ma'am from MT.
Now I feel very relaxed and relaxed.
Super. Relaxed. Dhanalakshmi ma'am from Worried.
Yes, sir. I am glad.
We're glad.
I'm happy, sir. I'm happy.
Super. Nandakumar sir from Lazy.
Lazy to little active, sir.
Little
Oh.
active. Superb. Are you traveling?
No, sir. I'm staying here.
Okay,
So the
seems you got
network,
cold.
yeah, network connection. It's
Okay.
not proper. Poor
Okay.
connection. 2-3 times
Superb.
it got
Yes.
disconnected and joins.
Okay, sure. So friends, so we saw a kindness challenge. Here we have the kindness wheel. So what we will be doing is we will be spinning this wheel for each and every one of you. You can just, if you are interested, you can take up this task, you can perform, you can feel it, and if you are interested, you can share it in the group as our Nandakumar sir shared like yesterday's the birds thing, feeding the
Yes, sir.
birds from the
Super,
Mumbai.
super.
Yeah, that was a fantastic one, sir. We can feel that how you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for sharing that picture. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Actually, so fortunate, or I was just thinking what to do. The spinning kindness was watering the plant. I don't know where to do it here. Then
Okay.
immediately opposite, we have a Kabutar Khana. The birds are coming there.
Hmm.
So they offer food there.
That's
So
fantastic.
immediately I did that.
That's kind of
So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So we'll start with Happy Karpagavalli ma'am. Here we go, the spinning wheel. Feed animals. Are you
Sir.
ready to take up the challenge or do you want me to spin again?
இங்க அனிமல்ஸ் ஒன்லி ஐ ஹேவ் ஸ்ட்ரீட் டாக்ஸ் தான், அதனால திரும்ப சுத்துங்க சார். சாரி.
Fine. There is no sorry at all, ma'am. It's our life, our rules. We can do whatever we want. Share a meal.
எஸ் சார், அது தாராளமா பண்ணலாம். எஸ்.
Superb. That's fantastic, ma'am. Dhanalakshmi ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Challenge vendanalo, you can tell that. Not a problem. There is no force at all.
Okay, sir.
Help a senior citizen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Superb. That's fantastic. Nandakumar sir. Active Nandakumar sir. Little active Nandakumar sir. Again, water the plants.
I can feed a bird today, sir.
Super.
Today also I can
I
feed
told
a
you
bird.
yesterday itself, the nature is loving you a lot as you are loving the nature.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Many times I get the same.
Yeah, now
Thank you.
it's
Thank
time
you,
for
sir.
relaxed Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Walk for a kilometer.
Sure, sir.
Yes,
I've always been longing for this. Yeah.
superb. Now, yesterday onwards, we started adding 2 more wheels. One is a happy task of the day, the task which will make you happy. So these are all the simple tasks which I have listed, but apart from this, we have many, even for the kindness and the happiness goes also. Shall we spin this wheel? So it's up to you.
எஸ் சார்.
Yeah.
Yes.
So again, we'll start with the Karpagavalli ma'am. Happy Karpagavalli.
எஸ் சார்.
Yeah.
எஸ் சார்.
Crying.
Uh-huh.
ஓகே சார்.
Superb. That's fantastic. Happy Dhanalakshmi ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you sleeping?
Ayyo.
Sleep it. When you
first,
sleep, you need to enjoy it actually. There are many people
Okay.
who actually think a lot when they sleep. That is
Okay,
the
sir.
difference. When we say sleeping, the reason why we
Oh.
added all the activities, when you say drinking, when you say eating, when you say cooking, we say have a complete awareness, activate your all the sensory organs and remove all the external thoughts. because most of the people actually they are not sleeping properly. For the sleeping also we need to take a special session, but already we have many things in our plate. That is the reason why. But someday I will definitely take a special class on actually how to enjoy each and every task. Actually, that sleeping is one of the beautiful aspect. We should do this actually. once
Daytime,
in-
sir. Daytime, sir.
Yeah, daytime. This is one of the best technique is power nap. In Japan, they have a napping zones. Vela Panambode, they can go and sleep for 15 minutes and come down. And in fact, we have a nap zones in every corporate company. Even Vijay Mama is aware of it because
We have it.
mandatory.
We have it.
Yeah. Even when I was used to do that, we used to go and in between எப்போ வேணாலும் நம்ம just break எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டு அங்க போய் தூங்கலாம் தாராளமா. பெட் இருக்கும் நல்லா, so we can go and sleep it. I used to go and I have a dedicated napping time. அதுதான் இப்பயும் வந்து பழகமாச்சு எனக்கு. And it's time for relaxed Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Birds watch.
Sure, sir.
Super. And it's time for little active Nandakumar sir. Gardening. I told you, right? The nature is loving you a lot.
Yeah.
You're the
I
nature
have
lover,
a
sir.
rooftop garden.
Superb,
Rooftop
superb.
garden. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. And
Thank you.
previous one is a happy task, which we usually do. This one is a dose.
Yeah.
Happiness dose. Whatever
Dose.
the scientific approaches, we told you, right? While explaining the dose, we have the various acts. So these are all the acts that you can perform. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, it's time
Okay.
for happy
Yes, sir.
Karpagavalli
Yes, sir.
ma'am.
You can start.
Eat dark
Ah.
chocolate.
Yeah, I love this task. அடேங்கப்பா, தினமுமே இது வந்து அவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கும். சொல்லவே
Super.
வேணாம். I will do it.
Superb. Fantastic. Enjoy it. It's not just eating. Enjoy each and every sip. Dairy milk ad ஞாபகம் வரணும். Dairy milk
Yes, sir.
ad. அந்த மாதிரி.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. For Dhanalakshmi ma'am, walk in
Yes,
nature.
sir. Okay, sir.
Superb. Fantastic. For relaxed Vijayalakshmi ma'am. Watch a comedy show. Whatever
Oh,
the-
that's what Karpagirli ma'am also told me this morning, and again it's come.
Superb. That is what the what is that? Resonance, synchronizing our thought. You are in congruation. Congruency. We call it as congruency. Whatever you thought, that will happen. For an example, today I want to meet someone, I want to see someone, that will happen. You are into the congruence of the nature. That is the beauty. Little active Nandakumar sir, you need some exercise.
அவருக்கு
Definitely, I will do
gardening
a yoga,
வந்தது.
sir. I will do
Yeah.
கார்டனிங் வந்தது சாருக்கு. கார்டனிங்கே ஒரு எக்ஸசைஸ் தான். முட்டி
Yeah.
போட்டு குனிஞ்சு நிமிர்ந்து
Yeah.
செய்யறதெல்லாம்.
So hope you
நந்தகுமார்
all
சாருக்கு எல்லாம்
enjoyed this.
சூப்பரா வந்திருக்கு.
Did you enjoy this
Thank you,
exercises?
ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes,
you-
yes,
If you
definitely.
forget,
We
don't
enjoy.
worry. I'll send the video again and you can watch it and see what is your task.
Really
Yeah.
call.
I will do the
Superb.
yoga as a exercise.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Superb.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thanks
you,
a lot.
friends.
I
Okay.
just
Thank you
want to
so
share
much.
one thing, sir. We got Great Places to Work certification yesterday for the organization where I work. I work for a company called Payoda Technologies.
Wow.
We've been conferred Great Places